For The Street, I'm Brittany Umar in New York. Here's a quick look at the Street Quant Ratings for Tuesday, May 28th. First, 2 upgrades. Credit Suisse has been upgraded to hold from sell. The financial services company has revenue growth that's outpaced the industry average, attractive valuation levels, and a high gross profit margin of nearly 50%. Credit Suisse's impressive earnings growth of over 2,500% has boosted its stock by nearly 48% over the past year. On a cautious note, the company's return on equity is below the industry average and the S&P. The Street Quant Ratings does not recommend additional investment in the stock at this time. Also getting an upgrade, Hewlett-Packard. It's been lifted to hold from sell. The computer equipment company has multiple strengths, like its nearly 44% increase in net operating cash flow from the same quarter last year and its increase in stock price during the past year. However, its stock has lagged the appreciation in the S&P. The company's decline in revenue has underperformed its industry average, and it has a high debt-to-equity ratio, making this a hold right now. A trio of downgrades for your watch list as well. Electric utility company Enel has been downgraded to hold from buy. While the company has a low debt-to-equity ratio and good cash flow from operations, the Street Quant Rating sees several weaknesses. Enel has a low gross profit margin at 29.8%, and the company has seen a decrease in return on equity and its earnings per share fall by 15.6% in the most recent quarter compared to the same period a year ago. Also getting a downgrade, Randgold Resources. The company, which engages in the exploration and development of gold deposits in Africa, has been downgraded to hold from buy. Randgold's revenue growth has exceeded the industry average. It has no debt and a strong gross profit margin of 47%. However, the company's earnings per share have declined by nearly 22% in the most recent quarter compared to the same period last year, and the Street Quant Ratings believes the company is likely to report a decline in earnings in the coming year. Lastly, Resolute Forest Products gets a downgrade as well. The paper products company has been lowered to sell from hold. The Street Quant Ratings finds the company has multiple weaknesses, like net income that's underperformed the S&P and its industry, a decrease in return on equity, net operating cash flow that's fallen 135% from the same quarter last year, and a very low gross profit margin of 10.5%. Check back with us tomorrow for more changes from the Street Quant Ratings. For The Street, I'm Brittany Umar in New York.